Bit spooky.
So Sue's just seen some eyes.
Yeah.
Freeze a dragon. Hi everybody. So, we took our motorhome Florrie down to the New Forest. We're quite low on fuel, and it's still quite a big thing for us to go and fill up. Also, Sue wanted a coffee.
And we're going on our third trip. We're on our way to the New Forest. Is it Brockenhurst?
Yeah, Brockenhurst.
Yeah.
It's down in southern England. It's a massive big forest, lots of trees with sequoias and redwoods and all that sort of stuff.
Not far from Southampton, is it?
No, but we've got 2 days of rubbish forecast, 2 days of good forecast. So we'll probably get the train into Winchester or somewhere like that. But we'll bring you back when we get somewhere near.
Yeah.
The New Forest is a huge national park in southern England. It covers around 200 square miles. It comprises of unenclosed pastureland, heathland and forest. It was proclaimed a royal forest in 1079 after the Normans under William the Conqueror invaded England in 1066. This is the entrance to the Black Knowl campsite. It's run by the Caravan and Motorhome Club, and we booked 4 nights here. This track is about 1.5 miles from here on down to the campsite, and it's a private track. And as we found, it's pretty dark walking down here at night. Since Norman times, common law dictates that the inhabitants of the area, called commoners, have got pre-existing rights of common, which means they can turn horses and cattle out into the forest to graze, and sometimes pigs. And these are in addition to all the wildlife in the area.
That's a cow.
Oh,
look
no.
at it. That's a lovely fluffy girl.
Oh, there's more.
No, David, you're on camera.
Oh, sorry, darling. So I don't care about horses.
Look at their horns. They're massive.
Oh no. Oh no.
They never mentioned cows, did they?
That's just crazy.
They're like those.
So that guy's wandering
Look, watch
through
out!
there.
Don't run it over.
God.
There's another one here. Oh, aren't they cute?
No.
They're much less scary than their horses.
Is that coming this way? Look.
It can't. There's a cattle grid.
Scary, scary.
Oh, I think they're beauts.
Right, so where do we park then?
Behind that motorhome. Look.
Wow, we made it. That's a caravan. That is. Look.
Is it? What are we doing then?
Just
We're
park
both
here.
getting out.
Yeah, shall we?
sure you're in park.
Oh, I've got something on the phone anyway.
Shall I come with you?
Yeah, please. I don't understand why you would want to be in the middle of the site when you can be on the edge.
Well, Jenny Earnshaw chose that.
It's a bit like that one there, look. See that one there?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's letting us in.
Yeah. Alright, if that's what you want to do.
Look.
You'll have to go.
See that one there, look. I'll show you.
David, I know. So, hang on. So she said we're here.
Yeah. So you go around, it's 53, 54 or 59. This campsite has over 120 pitches. They're a combination of grass, hard standing and fully serviced. All the pitches have electric hookup. The fully serviced have water on the pitch and also a grey waste disposal. We eventually ended up on a pitch at the top of the site, right overlooking some beautiful fields and woods. Sue wanted a pitch a bit closer to the facilities block, which, as it turned out, would have been the correct decision.
Okay guys, look, this is the site. There we are. And then over there, I don't know if you can see it, that's the facilities block. It's got loads of gleam, it's spotlessly clean. Loads of showers and obviously quite a few people on this site, but still really, really quiet.
The site also has a little shop, and at the weekends, for 3 nights a week, food vans come onto the site.
Lovely shower. This is the family washrooms, got a shower, lovely changing facility, a shower and a bath, which is quite nice. They've got 2 of these, very good.
Hello everybody. What is that? It's 15th of November?
Yeah, it's quite cold.
15th of November, getting colder now. We are out on our first night at in the New Forest. Down in southern England. Campsite's cool. Biggest one we've been on is called a club site. There are 2 different big clubs in the UK. One's called Caravan and Motorhome Club, which is this one. And there's Camping and Caravanning Club, which is just around the corner. I've got to show you this. I hope it comes out. Just wait a second, guys. That's brilliant, isn't it? Isn't that wonderful? I'll catch Sue up. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous area. It's so quiet tonight. So we're just after sunset. We've got to walk about 45-minute walk into Brockenhurst. We've got our head torches, so hopefully we find our way back. But Jay, yeah, on the way in today on this part, we came past loads of wild horses and also some massive cows. I mean, the horns were like the American steers, you see. They were huge. Never seen horns like it in the UK. I don't know where the cows have gone, but they're presumably around somewhere.
They must be.
Hopefully not too close here at the moment. Anyway, we're gonna cheering out for a bit, walk into Brockenhurst, try and get a meal in one of the pubs. So we'll see how we get on. This was the Forester's Arms. The food was great. Hello guys. So we've been to the pub, what was it called, Sus?
Foresters.
Oh, the Foresters Arms. It was quite nice actually. Yeah, they did a good salad, nice meal. But the problem is, it's now about 7:30 at night. Of course, it gets dark at 4 o'clock, so we've got to try and get back to the campsite through Brockenhurst and then out into the New Forest, through the woods, and find our way home. So stick with us and see if we make it.
I think we'll be okay.
So, yeah, interesting evening. We've probably, being honest, bitten off more than we can chew tonight.
Walking wise.
Because we've got another 2 mile home, and literally we're in the dark.
It's very cold as well.
So it's really cold. Actually, I must admit, it feels like it's getting down below freezing.
Yes, getting close to freezing.
Yeah, which is interesting. Anyway, here is...
It's quite a remote walk, isn't it?
This is the ford at Brockenhurst. So we've got to cross over, but I just want to show the guys the ford here. Look. So a lot of the year, if this brook is in spate, then it will actually go across this road. Here we are. And the road is here, and there's a bridge for pedestrians. Let's cross over. And in a minute you'll see what I mean. Because it looks a lot better in the daytime, but quite dark at night. Yeah, so that stream goes underneath here. Let's put the head torch on and show them. There you go, guys. Look.
I think it's pointing upward.
Oh no. Okay, now it's pointing down.
That's it.
Okay. So here's Sue walking out of Brockenhurst. So we've got about probably 1.75 miles, maybe 2 miles to walk. But it is literally pitch black, and also we've got potentially wild horses. We've got huge steers, cows, and maybe even some pigs. Plus all the deer that are just finished rutting. So wish us luck. So we're just talking about the villages here and the houses. Look, so every house, even in the town, has got this, which is basically a
the actual town is what you were saying is.
Yeah, but even out in the town as well as here.
No, but in the real town centre they've got gated area where the gate has a cattle grid.
Cattle grid, yeah.
Cattle grid, but all of them
got
outside have.
Everywhere's got a cattle grid.
If
it's
you're
amazing.
outside of the town centre,
yeah. So
no
hoofed animal can get through. So head torch is on, and it's a dragon's breath evening. Really quite cold. Look, Sue, breathe a dragon. Oh, no, there's 2 massive horses. Oh my god, this is the sort of thing they've got lights on. The horses have got lights on, look.
Don't provoke them.
I'm not provoking them, bloody hell. Yeah. Whoa. So we keep finding horses on the path, and we keep literally bumping into wild horses, which is actually quite scary, really. Sue thinks we're on the right path, and we probably are now, actually. Yeah. Gosh, what an adventure! So we've got 2 choices here. We can, I'll show you on the map, but there's across the heathland there is a path which basically is across there into the distance. You can't really see where we're going, but the easy way is to try and trace a path through here onto the main road back to the campsite. But to be brutally honest, it is it's quite an adventure, isn't it, Suze?
Well, I've warmed up a bit now.
Sue's alright, she's warmed up a bit, so we're okay. We're going to keep going. Wow, what a place. It's quite exciting. And actually the the darkest part of the walk is still to come. Yeah, look at that tree. Watch out for dragon's breath. That huge tree is amazing. Absolutely fantastic. We are very much remote now. So all we can hear now is horses neighing. It's a bit unnerving, isn't it? It's a bit unnerving, Sue.
It is, but we'll be alright.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what we found is that some of the horses, the New Forest ponies, have got like neck braces things, which I've got. What's the word I'm looking for? High vis, so they don't get run over. So it means you can, yeah, collars. So it means you can see them in the dark. Hopefully the cows have got that as well. Wow! Look at that. Gorgeous. These trees. I tell you what, it's so beautiful. I'm surprised I haven't heard any owls yet. Maybe it's a bit early. So I'm just looking at my Ordnance Survey app, which is telling us we've got probably 100-200 yards to walk, and then it's a right turn up into the woods, through the woods, back into the campsite. And this is where the water, this is where the river is, isn't it? I think. Yeah, beautiful. So Sue just seen some eyes crossing these woodlands. I didn't see them, but maybe it could be deer, probably horses, or maybe cattle, but not really sure. Anyway, we're now coming around to the entrance to the campsite, so we've made it back. But that was quite an experience, actually. Wasn't it, Sue? There she's gone. There she is. Yeah, interesting. Interesting wonder. We'll bring you back in a bit.
Made it back.
Made it back. Made it back to the campsite. Wow.
How do you do it?
Put it this way.
Oh, okay, sorry.
And push. That's it. And here's the cattle grid. And here we are back at the campsite. Reception. Florrie's at the top of the site. So, good to be back. We're back. Made it back. Fantastic. What an excellent afternoon that was. I'm going to get my camera, see if I've got any time lapse. See you in a bit, guys. The forecast for the following morning was bad, and that's how it turned out.
Okay, I'm on my way to the facilities for Brockenhurst. This is why I wanted to park closer. My husband decides he wants to park as far away as possible. And it is taking it down.
So join us next week, guys, as we try to negotiate the flooded heathland and forest. This was the ford that we'd visited the night before when it was dry. It was really difficult to hike anywhere. The woodlands, heathland was all flooded. But it didn't seem to bother this guy much. We also saw some majestic red deer stags who were exhausted after the rut. See you next week, guys.